Hello, guys. Good morning. This is Freddy Jurado. So I hope you're doing great. I hope you're doing your best in your classes. So for this asynchronous class, which is translation class number 4, so I decided to record this video for you to get familiar with the activities that you are going to be developing during the whole class. So the agenda for today's class is this one. So we have a breaking ice activity as always. We have like a game which you're going to be playing. Then we're gonna be developing today's topic, which is basically the same that we developed last class, which is focus on listening, TOEFL skills. Then we are going to have an activity. In this case, you are going to be practicing a real test, TOEFL or real TOEFL test. And at the end, we have a recap. So first, let's start with this quote that says, "Dreams don't work unless you do." So, guys, you have to be working on all those dreams that you probably have. So, we all are trying to do our best. We all are concerning that we want something in our life. Probably you are looking for a job, you are looking for your partner, you are looking for a car or something. You have dreams. We all have dreams. So, guys, we have to work for those dreams. You don't have to be just saying that you are a student but you are not studying at home. You don't have just to say, okay, I'm bad in this semester because I don't have, I don't know, something. Don't ask another people just what they say. Just ask yourself what you have to do for your dreams, for achieve your dreams, for where, for all those dreams or goals that you may have. So you have to be working on all those things. So now, guys, we have this game. So if you click in this link, you are going to be directed to this page in which you are going to learn some phrasal verbs. Let me adjust this. Okay. So here we have these phrasal verbs. So you're going to start this phrasal verb activity in which, for example, in the morning we have three options: run out, wake up, or sit down. So you say, okay, wake up. So then we have your laptop. Which of this phrasal verb best fixed in this sentence? Plug in, run out, or sit down? You say plug in. Great. You have a battery. You have take off, run out, or sit down. So you are going to choose which is the best phrasal verb. So that would be useful for you. So when you are done with this activity, now you can continue with your class. In this case, you have to watch this video. While watching this video, you can take notes. As always, here we have the link and here we have the video, so just play it in the way that you prefer. This video is in Spanish because I want you to please pay close attention, because these are some tips for getting a better score in the TOEFL test, specifically in the listening part. Because sometimes we say, no, the listening part is difficult because the speakers are speaking so fast, so I can't understand, so I didn't get the idea or something like that. So that's why this video is in Spanish, and this girl is explaining some tips that you can take into account when taking the real test or the real TOEFL test. So, because when finishing this video, which is 8 minutes long, then you are going to practice a TOEFL test exam. This is for free, so just click on here and then you are in this page. So start your free practice TOEFL exam, and then you have the indication. This TOEFL test, the reading part is 60 to 80 minutes. Then the listening part is 60 to 90 minutes. It's not too short. And then you have the speaking part, because it's not the IBT, the one that we are taking, is another one. Then we have the writing part, and then we have some other indications for this. But in this case, okay guys, so you're going to start your free practice TOEFL exam. Click on there, then you're going to click in here, start the exam. Okay, you start the exam. Okay guys, the advantage of taking this is that you have the script here. So if you didn't understand or if you didn't listen correctly, so you can read the script here. The man says, my car is broken down. Then the woman says, I'll pick you up. And then the question is, what does the woman imply? So you have here 4 options. So you click in the one that you consider is the correct one, and then you click on next. So, as always, you read the options if you want. If you don't want to read it, that would be great because you are practicing just your listening. I chose this one because we are starting from the very beginning, from the basic level. The basic level is just when reading the script or something like that, and then you are going to be doing it without any script because the real TOEFL test is not in this way, it's in another way. So this is just for practice. So here we have next, and then you can, when finished, you can save the exam. So then you take a screenshot of that and you send it to me in a place that I'm gonna open for you to post it or upload it on Google Classroom. So guys, if you have any doubt, if you have any inconvenience, just let me know. I'll be here for you to help you in other things or in anything that you probably may need. So this is all for today's class. This video is a short one just for explaining some activities that you're going to be developing during this asynchronous class. You're going to have today is Saturday, so you are going to have until Monday midnight to upload these activities. So guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope you can develop these activities, and I hope you can improve your in this case the listening skill. So thank you for watching this video. Have a good weekend and see you next time.